The 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor is basically a downsized version of the high-flying, velocity-defying F-150 Raptor. As with its big brother, the off-road-ready Ranger will also feature flared fenders, rugged tires, extra ground clearance, and an unmistakable grille. While it will ride on the same fully boxed ladder frame as the regular Ranger, the Raptor variant will receive a long travel suspension for soaring over jumps and a more powerful engine for quicker desert runs. The Ford will only be offered in one body style, a crew cab connected to a 5-foot cargo box. The interior should have distinct flourishes and a feature-laden infotainment system. The 2023 Ranger Raptor will feature a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that's said to make 392 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. However, those figures could be slightly different than the US version. It's essentially the same setup found on the Ford Bronco Raptor, which includes a 10-speed automatic transmission and standard 4-wheel drive, complete with locking front and rear differentials. Compared to its pedestrian counterpart, the Raptor will have a sturdier suspension and beefier off-road equipment. Along with a higher ride height and increased ground clearance, it has 33-inch all-terrain tires that bookend wider front and rear tracks. Based on an all-new Ranger, expect all-new tech inside the cabin. Exclusively available in crew cab format, the 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor's interior will seat 5, while the front occupants will be held snugly in place by firmly bolstered sport bucket seats and optional Recaro seats for extra support. A leather steering wheel is shaped specifically for the Raptor and comes with a 12 o'clock marker and magnesium paddle shifters, while the rest of the cabin benefits from accents in code orange. Ford Sync 4 infotainment touchscreen will be present, with a 12-inch portrait orientation touchscreen catering to full smartphone integration. In addition to typical controls, paddle shifters and dedicated drive mode selectors will be present, while instrumentation will be handled by a 12.4-inch digital cluster. As for cargo space, the 5-foot cargo box will be wider than ever before, while towing capacity is expected to be around 8,000 pounds but has not yet been confirmed. The Ranger Raptor arrives with aggressive styling to match its enhanced performance. To that end, the Raptor has beefy fender flares, a bespoke front fascia with big, bold Ford lettering, and a raised ride height to accompany the extra width. The C-shaped headlight design from the standard Ranger remains, with the headlight clusters pushed out wide. The 17-inch wheels are small, but the tires are chunky beadlock-capable BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 items. The Raptor will only be available in crew cab form, kitted out with a slew of Raptor decals for those who wish to stand out, as if the massive 2.3mm thick front bash plate could be ignored. At the rear, dual exhaust pipes and large Raptor badging set this model apart. No Ranger Raptor would be complete without unique colors, so we're predicting Ford's Velocity Blue and Antimatter Blue paint hues as signature colors, along with other vibrant Ford shades like Code Orange on the palette. The reveal showcased a truck in what appears to be Rapid Red, which will be the model's halo color.